Hi everyone, welcome to my channel True Bites. Today let's try some healthy apple banana oats muffins. These muffins are mainly made up of bananas, apples, oats and brown sugar. All you need is a blender and just add all the ingredients in there. It's that simple. A great and healthy option for kids' snack too. So let's see how it's being prepared. So healthy and soft muffins are now ready to serve. As you can see, they're very soft, and these muffins will stay fresh for up to 2 days at room temperature when stored in an airtight container, or you can refrigerate them and use within a week. So please try out these tasty muffins. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, like and share. New videos are uploaded every Tuesday and Friday. Until then, goodbye.